Very good morning, friends. Today we'll see another problem on pentagonal lamina, corner resting on HP. Let us take this problem. So before solving this problem, we need to do the sheet setup. So I already explained how to do sheet setups. Just move on to sheet and go to sheet setup. Select A4 size, show background, save as default. Okay, so that gives the sheet setup, A4 size sheet setup. So let us take this problem. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm is resting on HP. So it's a pentagonal lamina and the edge is given 25 mm and is saying resting on HP with one of its corner. Corner resting on HP is given such that the plane surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. Means the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The two of the edges containing the corner in which on which the lamina rest make equal inclination with HP. Fine. When the edge opposite to the corner makes an angle of 45 degree to 45 degree with VP and nearer to the observer. So it's a very important concept is mentioned. Nearer to the observer, the corner, the opposite edge to the corresponding corner, which is inclined at an angle of 45 degree, and is saying nearer to the observer. We need to consider these conditions while solving in the third position. So the draw front and top views of the lamina in this position. Let us see how to draw this problem. So I select a line and it's a thin line. I'll draw XY line. So now mark VP and HP XY lines. Go to text and times neuron and font size is 3.50. Say X and Y, VP and HP. I'm marking VP and HP. So now this is my X and this is my Y and this is my vertical plane and this is my horizontal plane. So now let us first draw pentagonal lamina and rotate as per the requirements and fix the lamina in the first position as per the requirements. So let us see how to construct the lamina, pentagonal lamina. So select a line and it is 0.50. So now I already explained the construction of lamina. So is given edge length is 25 mm, 25 into base angle is 0, and 25 into base angle 72 into 1 is 72 degree. Then length is 25 and base angle is 72 into 2. Then length is 25, angle is 72 into 3. Then length is 25, angle is 72 into 72 into 4. 72 into 4. So like that we need to construct the pentagonal lamina. Now it's saying corner resting on HP. I will tilt the lamina in this like this because corner is resting on HP. Just switch off the copy option and select this one. So make it 90 degree and place like this. So now I go to more option. For my convenient distance, I will locate the pentagonal lamina like this. I'll keep lamina like this. Now this is initial position of the pentagonal lamina for the corner position. So now go for the text. Go to line. Go to text times neuron and font size is 3.50. Let us take this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Now this is my corner A. This is my corner B. This is my corner C. This is my corner D. And this is my corner E. Now draw the projection lines. And before that, just measure the inclination angle. What is this length? This length is 25 mm. So now let us draw the projection lines to find to determine the front view in the first position. So from corner A, I will draw vertical projection line that will intersect XY line. From B, I will draw projection line that will intersect XY line. From C, I will draw vertical projection line that will intersect XY line. So now draw the front view. So select a line 0.50 mm thickness. Select a line 0.50 mm thickness. We draw a line from here to here and from here to here. Don't draw continuous line. Now go for text. go for the text. So now here I go to text. So this one I'll call it as A dash. This is A dash. This is B dash of E dash. This is a B dash of E dash, and this is C dash of E dash. C dash of E dash. So this is my A dash and the front view, and this is my B dash of E dash, and this is my C dash of D dash. Okay. So now let us see in the second position is given some inclination with respect to HP resting on one of its corner, okay, such that the plane surface makes 60 degree with HP. So 60 degree inclination is given with respect to HP. So now I'll show how to draw 60 degree inclination line. So go to more option and switch off this copy and select the front view, and this one I close somewhere here at any convenient distance. Then go to rotate. Again, select the same element. Select the A dash is the center of the rotation, and rotating this element. So the given inclination, how much is given? Is given 60 degree inclination. Just enter 60 degree rotational angle. Both rotation position angle should be 60. Copy should be off. So this is my A dash. This is my V dash of E dash, and this is my C dash of D dash. So this is given 60 degree inclination. Just you can measure, go to angle between, just measure this, and this inclination is this, and this inclination, this, and this inclination is 60 degree, which is given in the problem. See, which is given in the problem. Now now try to draw the top view in the second position. So I'll zoom this area. So now just draw the projection lines. I'll draw the projection line from A dash, vertical downward projection line, from B dash of E dash, vertical downward projection line, from C dash of D dash, vertical downward projection line. Now this side from A dash, is a horizontal projection line. Then from B dash, B dash is here. Then C dash, this is my C, and this is my C dash. This is D, and this is my D dash. This is E, and this is my E dash. Now join all the points. Go to line, and thickness to 0.50. See, this is my A, and this is my B, this is my C, yeah, and this is my D, this is my E, and this is my A, corner A. Now go for text, just text it. So A, B, and we have C, we have D, and we have E. So now this is my point A or corner A. This is my corner B. This is my corner C, and this is my corner D. Yeah, this is my corner D, and this is my corner B. So now eliminate, trim unwanted lines. I don't want these extra lines. Just trim it. I don't want these extra lines, unwanted lines, except projection lines. So now this is second position. Now what is third position? Third position is the edge which is resting on HP. See, sorry, the corner which is resting on HP. So here A dash is the corner. So here is not completed this one. Complete this one and make this is A dash, B dash, dash. Okay. So now the third position, the corner which is resting on HP. See, A dash is the corner, or A is the corner resting on HP. Identify the opposite edge for this corner. For A, opposite edge is CD or DC. So this inclination with respect to BP is given, that is 45 degree, and also is saying nearer to the observer. So observer is looking from this side. So corner CD should be nearer to the observer and which is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to VP. So that is a given condition. First, let us draw 45-degree inclination line. So select the line and it's a 0.13 mm thickness. Just draw on 45-degree inclination line and we'll see the inclination. This inclination is 45 degree and maybe 45 degree and okay. So now I will go to more option. Just I'll go to more option and I select this complete element like this, including all text. So it will get selected. Let's select this complete element and go to more option. Copy should be on. Select D and just to place it somewhere here for your reference. I'll place corner D on 45-degree inclination line. Then I'll go to rotate. I'm rotating this element. So from here to I'm rotating like this. Copy should be off. Now look at this one. So observer is looking this side. Observer is here. So for observer, CD is the corner edge CD is nearer to the observer, and CD is the opposite edge to the corner A because corner A is resting on HP, and for corner A, CD is the opposite edge, and this opposite edge is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to VP and also nearer to the observer. See, observer is looking from this side and corner C is nearer to observer. That's why we need to show this complete pentagon above 45-degree inclination line. Then only it is correct. Don't show below. If you show below, then CD is away from the observer. So now draw the projection lines and complete the third position. Complete the front view in the third position. So now I go to line and line thickness is 0.10. Draw A dash projection line. Then I draw from B dash E dash horizontal projection line. Then from C dash D dash horizontal projection line. So now here from A dash projection line. Then from corner B, and here is B dash B dash projection line. B dash projection line. Then I'll go to from corner C. Corner C. This is vertical projection line from D dash projection line. Then from E dash projection line. I join all the points. So go to line, and it is 0.50. See A, then A dash and B dash. We have C dash. We have D dash. We have E dash and A dash. So now turn the unwanted lines and just go for naming. So now the naming is go to text times theorem, font size is A dash, CVC is A dash. Just first I'll type all the letters. And then we have C dash, we have D dash, we have E dash. Okay. Now this is my A dash. So this is my A dash, corner A dash resting on HP. And this is my B dash. This is my this is my B dash. This is my B dash, and this is my C dash. This is my D dash, and this is my E dash. This is my E dash. Let's trim the unwanted extra lines. So this is this is the complete. So we completed this problem. So pentagonal lamina of h 25 mm resting on HP with one of its corner, and a surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP, and the edge opposite to this corner makes an angle of 45 degree with VP, and nearer to the observer. So that condition is satisfied. So with this, I will complete this problem. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.